Look at the rain in England. It was sunny about an hour ago. I was sweating loads. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it is tipping it down. See it on there. Go to the front of the property now. If we look at the front, it's the same situation here. Water collecting down all the road. Some of the largest pieces of rain I've seen for years. I hope he's got good brakes.